Advanced. Welcome to how to set up RAID on an ASRock motherboard. Storage configure. SATA mode. From AHCI to RAID. RAID mode. Here are the two hard drives installed. Exit. Save changes and exit. Yes. Advanced. RAID configuration utility. Array management. Create array. Select RAID level. RAID 1. Select physical disks. Select media type. Both. Select the physical hard drives to create a new array. I selected both physical hard drives. API changes. Create array. Save changes. Exit. Save changes and exit. Yes. Thanks for watching. Here is the result. Advanced. RAID configuration utility. Array management. Array 1.